How to get the verification badge on your YouTube account. So for verification badge, you will need at least 100,000 subscribers. If you got it, you can open YouTube Help. Once you are here, you want to scroll down and open Manage Your Account and Settings and click Manage Account Settings. And now we want to find something about YouTube badge, which is here, verification badges and channels. Click it. And this is the section which we want to apply for a badge. Make sure that your YouTube account is connected to this email address, which is here in right upper corner area. Otherwise, this will not work. So you have to be here through your Gmail account connected to your YouTube account. And once you are here, we want to click on Apply Now. I'm gonna leave you this website down below in the description. And here's the channel verification application. So it says over 100,000 subscribers, you are eligible to submit a request. Here is the email address. Now type here your channel's name and channel's ID. If you don't know your channel ID, click here, down here, and it's gonna open you a new window. And you can copy here the channel ID. So enter here your channel's ID and click on submit. And it should be done, and they're gonna update you in the next several weeks, but I think it's gonna be pretty soon. So let me know in comment section if this worked. If you have any questions, let me know, and see you next time.